Welcome to computer class. We will continue the same chapter, Role of Computers, Part 2. We have seen how computers are used in schools, at home, in offices and shop. Today we are going to see how computers are used in banks, in hospitals, space research and defense, and in transportation. So let's begin. Computers are used in banks for keeping the details of bank account, printing passbook, keeping the records of the cash, and taking out money from ATM machine. Computers are also used in hospitals, maintaining the records of patient, information about doctor, etc., keeping records of patient, preparing medical reports and x-rays, and helping doctor to know more about diseases and their causes. Computers are also used at railway stations and airports for booking tickets, keeping the records of arrival and departure of flights and trains, booking and printing tickets and reservation of passengers, storing the information about trains and flights. Computers are also used in space research and defense area, finding information about space, sending rockets into space, helping the military to make security weapons. Computers are used. Let's see the other uses of computers. Computers are used to learn different languages, cooking, learning how to drive a car or fly an aeroplane. Computers are also used for designing clothes, car, machine, building, printing books, newspaper, magazine, etc., making cartoons and animated movies, for making designs and layout plans of houses and buildings, help engineer to design cars and other machines, at cyber cafe to surf the internet and check emails. So these are all the uses of computers. Now we see that a computer is a wonderful machine and that makes our life easier and that does many different things, and it is used in various different